Most stylists struggle when it comes to making hair extensions look natural and seamless. The main reason is that there are critical steps they're missing that they don't even know exist. Unfortunately, there's a ton of money left on the table, and average has become the new normal. Don't be that stylist. Now you can finally produce those flawless weaves for your clients and potentially increase your income. Join extension specialist Rob Fuchs as he breaks down his seamless hair extension method in this highly anticipated online training course. You'll be able to follow Rob's perfected seamless hair extension system that he has spent over 10 years developing and has him booked months in advance with clients that can't wait to see him. In this course, you'll learn the secret behind Rob Fuchs' specific tools, products, and techniques. Miss just one step and you could ruin the entire process. His product recommendations and techniques alone will make your work look incredible and have your clients begging for more. You'll also explore why your braid foundation, stitching, and weft placement could potentially change your finished product. One wrong move here, and you could have a loose thread and weft hanging in no time. And lastly, you'll discover how to create the best blend between your client's leave-out and the hair extensions using Rob's secret micro-linking technique. Most stylists stop at styling, and it costs them clients and money, and maybe even their reputation. Finally, as a special bonus, Rob will teach you easy modern styling techniques for tousled waves, body curls, and his specific marketing strategies that has helped him build a steady growing business. Most stylists are wasting too much time and money making all the wrong moves. Let Rob teach you how to save time, money, and build a sustainable brand and income that continues to pay off for years to come. With Rob Fuchs' online education, you'll get lifetime access and a front row seat to the seamless hair extension method system. You can finally give your clients the beautiful, natural, and undetectable sew-in weave they've been waiting for. Make more money, acquire new clients, and go from overlooked to fully booked. Sign up today.